All right, I'm gonna make me some money with affiliate marketing. Ha ha! Here we go. Grab my affiliate link, copy. Hey, buddy, you're totally doing it wrong. That's not how you do affiliate marketing. Do you even know how to do affiliate marketing? That's never gonna work. Hey guys, it's Marcus here, and today we're going to talk about the things that affiliate marketers are doing wrong, how you can avoid them, and how you can start making money with affiliate marketing the right way. And we're starting right now. Hey guys, it's Marcus here, and welcome in the Backyard Office. Today what I'm going to do is go through the 5 things that you need to do that most affiliate marketers are getting wrong, and it's affecting their income and could be affecting the legal stuff with their website. So you want to pay close attention to this. Again, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know law, but this is how I understand it, and this is what I do in my business. If you have any questions about anything, definitely seek out legal advice. And if you like this stuff and you want to learn to make money with affiliate marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and click the little bell notification icon. That way you get access to our live trainings, our latest videos, and everything that we do here on the channel to help you make money. So let's go ahead and dive in with the 5 things that affiliate marketers are doing wrong, how you can avoid them, how you can make more money, and how you can cover your assets, right? So let's go ahead and dive right in. First thing that I see people get wrong is link structure. Now, link structure is very important because a lot of people go out there and they'll be on Facebook or Instagram or even on their blogs or even in their emails, and they will send what we call a raw affiliate link. This is the affiliate link that the company gives you directly to market products and services. This is a big, ugly link. If you're doing like JVZoo, it's going to be like www.jv1.zoo. Whatever, and it's really confusing. If you're doing Commission Junction, it's even uglier. If you're doing ClickBank, it's even worse. If you're doing an affiliate network, it's a really bad link. These links are not intended to send people to by type in traffic. And what I mean by type in traffic is I don't want to tell you to go to that link. I want to tell you to go to something very, very easy, like my own domain name. Now, the link structure is very important because if you get the link wrong, or if someone types in the link wrong that you're telling them to use, you're not going to get paid. So what I advise everyone to do is set up their own link structure website. Now, this can be an easy website, like I have affiliatedude.com, where I could say, instead of go to this big long link, I could say simply go to affiliatedude.com/how, or affiliatedude.com/Kartra, or affiliatedude.com/hosting. And it makes it very, very easy, and it allows me to track on my end as well. So link structure is one of the most important things. I remember getting into an argument years ago with an affiliate marketer who did a joint venture promotion with me. He made videos, he did cool things, and he said, "Marcus, how come I'm not getting that many sales?" And I went back through his videos and I said, well, you know, you have your affiliate link on the bottom, but you're telling them to go to simplesitesbonus.com. That's my site. You don't want to send them directly there. You want to send them through your affiliate link. So whatever you're doing, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, joint venture, email, video, whatever you're doing, make sure that your link structure is number 1, very, very concise and very easy to use. And number 2, make sure it's all hosted on your own domain name. So this is the first thing you got to get right if you are going to be a real affiliate. If you're not just playing at this game and you want to be a real affiliate, you got to get your link structure. Another reason this is important is one that cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Years ago, when I was promoting the cursor type affiliate program where you change your little mouse cursor into a baseball or something, I did really good at getting those links out there. And what happened was my affiliate link actually started ranking on the search engines. That's right, my raw link ranked on the search engines. And when that affiliate network changed their link structure, all the work I had done was gone. And it sucked because I sat there and I saw my ranking every day and I saw that I wasn't getting paid. So first and foremost, get your link structure right. If you don't get this down, you are hosed. Same thing with you YouTubers out there. Don't use raw affiliate links. You got to make your own site. You got to get your own stuff. You got to at least have a redirect. Okay, very important. The second thing that I see affiliate marketers doing wrong is they are not building a list. Okay, you'll see a lot of people on YouTube, you'll see a lot of people with websites, a lot of people everywhere trying to do affiliate marketing, and they'll say something like this. They'll say, hey, check out this video, it's good. Here's a list of the things that I used in the video, right? And they'll have like a list of their cameras, a list of their microphones, a list of all this stuff. And guess what? Their link structure's off and they're sending raw affiliate links. Instead, what you want to do is you want to say, go to my site to get my gear guide. They put their name and email, then you put your list of things. That way you can send them back and say, hey, did you get the gear? Check it out. I found something new. And when you build the list, you have the ability to market to people over and over and make lots and lots of money. So definitely do this. They go hand in hand. We show you how to do these over at gohubsite.com. You set up a hub site. You use our free plugins that go through. One of them is the Affiliate Marketing Dude Tracker. You put that on there. It's going to track everything, and boom, you are ready to go. You can make money the right way. Now, the third thing that I see affiliate marketers do wrong is they have the quick buck mentality. We'll put QB, quick buck mentality. And what they're looking for is they're looking for the quick buck at the expense of their bottom line. And because of this, they're just setting things up, putting things out there, and they're making a little bit of money, and that's good. But they're not doing the long-term game. You'll see people out there doing launch jacking, doing affiliate promos where they rank for a product or whatever, and they're going out there and they're getting some sales and it's working, but they're doing the quick buck. They're not building a mailing list, they're not building a database, and they're not getting their old content picked up by the search engines. This is extremely important because for years I went through affiliate marketing and I had my own business and I was putting content out there. So I was putting articles out, I was putting videos out, I was putting affiliate promos out and all these things for years, right? So let's say I did this for like 5 years, which is probably pretty accurate. Over those 5 years, if I was doing 1 or 2 or maybe 3 promos a week, right? That's 150 promos a year, okay? So if I had 150 pieces of content, like articles, reviews, videos, whatever, and I put them out there and I sent them to my email list and I made money and that was great and it was wonderful. But you take this 150 the first year, 150 the second year, third year, fourth year, and fifth year. If you were to add all this up, you got what, 600, 750 pieces of content. Now, what we started doing a few years ago is taking this content and putting it on a simple blog. I simply take the content that I use in my email, that I use in my videos, and I put it on a blog and I write a little summary. Now, what this has done is it started to get me a lot of traffic and make me a lot more money. Had I been doing this the 5 years that I wasn't doing it, I would have 750 different content pieces that would be all ranking on the search engines and getting traffic every day. If each one of those just got me 1 visitor a day, that's almost 1,000 visitors a day in free traffic that I could have generated. Now, of course, today we're doing that and it's working extremely well, and we're actually working on getting these 750 ones up as well. But we have this, and we don't want you to fail on it. So even if you're doing launch jacking, or even if you're doing simple video promotions, put those on your site, go for the keywords, at least double it up. This is what we call repurpose content. This is where you repurpose content and you are able to use it for a different purpose, in this case, ranking, which is really, really cool and really, really important and will get you lots of traffic and hopefully make you lots of money. The fourth one is much like this one, where we talk about building on your content, right? You can take old content and you can use it for lots of things. You can use it for product launches. You can use it to promote affiliate products. You can use it for sending out to your list. And they don't build on the content they did before, right? What we want to do is we want to go out here and we want to find out what people are interested in, and we want to build on that. Build on it in a way that makes sense, build on it in a way that helps the visitor, and really, really focus on giving good value based on what people are searching for. And a lot of people say, well, what is value? Value is something based on what they're searching for. You came here looking for a video on the 5 things affiliate marketers are doing wrong. If I teach you the 5 things that the affiliate marketers are doing wrong and you like this video, then I have provided value. Okay, now I'm going to take this video and I'm going to build on the content. I'm going to take this video, I'm going to put it on the YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and have someone make notes of the video. I'm going to put it on my blog. I'm also going to send this video out in my email so that people come see it and they say, wow, that Marcus guy's great. I got the value and I'm going to buy something from him, which is really cool. And if that's you, go over to simplesitesbonus.com, get the course, or go to highticketniches.com and get yourself a high-ticket niche. Now, the fifth thing that is very, very important and can get you in some hot water, again, I'm not a lawyer. Don't listen to me for legal stuff, but this is how I understand it. And if you have any questions, I always say seek legal counsel before you set this stuff up. But the fifth thing that they have is they don't have an affiliate disclaimer. I was just looking on Facebook today, and there's people that are promoting different affiliate offers, and they don't disclose that they are an affiliate. Now, the reason this is out there is because if you are being paid to send people to something when they buy, then you are a compensated reviewer. You can't act like you are just a normal guy out there reviewing things. Hey, I'm a friendly pal. You have to go out there and say, hey, I am getting paid to promote this product. I am paid for making this when you buy. Now, one of the cool ways that I do this is I say, hey, by the way, I'm an affiliate of this product. Therefore, I'm going to give you these 3 bonuses that'll help you when you buy through my link. Of course, I get paid. That's how it works. Blah, blah, blah. That's what you want to do. Now, not having this disclaimer can get you in a lot of hot water, so I very, very much say at least, at bare minimum, tell people that you are paid for putting this stuff out there. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, I don't care. It doesn't matter. If you are getting paid, you need to disclose that to your viewers. Even here on YouTube, if you're selling stuff, if you say, hey, check out my gear guide, you need to tell them, I'm paid if you buy something from this gear guide because I'm an affiliate. So in which case, I'm actually going to give you my videos on how to use the gear, right? Pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty basic. A lot of people don't do it. And these are the things that will get you not money and trouble, right? So you want to do this stuff the right way. So focus on these 5 things. A lot of people get this wrong. A lot of people mess this up, but I know that you are going to go through and you're going to use these 5 tips and you're going to use them to be a pro affiliate marketer. And that's the thing here, right? You can go online and you can play around with affiliate marketing, but do you really want to play around or do you want to be a pro and start making money? If you want to be a pro, I have these 5 tips for you over at affiliatedude.com/5. That's affiliatedude.com/5. You can go there, you can get these tips, you can learn about this stuff, and we're going to help you make money with affiliate marketing. Thanks again for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, put a comment in the box below. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you on our next live stream or video. And we'll make money with affiliate marketing. See you soon.